They didn't kick those people who is rude to me. So I don't get. Yeah, I don't get the point why they want, like, they are, you know, presenting themselves. Oh, I want to be your admin. Okay, fine. Okay, here you go. I'll put you as an admin. And when the people start coming and commenting weird stuffs, why you didn't kick it? Well, okay, fine. Yeah, weird. I mean, like admin is just when the host is too busy on what is he or she doing. Yeah, it's you really get the point. Like they wanna, oh, I'm admin of that girl and that girl and that girl. But boo, boo. Bring me out, Floby. Oh, that is my very first time to learn that you are so, what do you call this? Um, I don't know what it called. Yeah, you've been active here for that long. Years. I didn't know that. For 8 years? Wow. I didn't get life here for 8 years. Huh? Crazy. Hi. Hmm. Is that a pickup line? Lira, baby. Are you having a pickup line? Well, at least I'm here. Oh, thank you, babe.